A lot of people are focused on losing fat, losing weight. There is a difference between the two, by the way. We're not going to talk about that today. But instead, what I wanted to talk about was that whether it's new clients coming into me for the first time and their goal is losing fat, or clients who have been with other coaches for years now and haven't had success and are still yo-yoing the same 10 pounds, like losing and gaining and just frustrated. The question I always get, and this is the most popular question, is how do I lose fat and maintain that? Like, how do I keep it off? And the answer is you stop focusing on the quick results. You stop focusing on the fat loss, and instead you start focusing on your habits. If you start focusing on the basic habits that we work on, being a more active person, caloric awareness, strength training a couple times a week, and that is how you lose the fat and maintain it. The problem is most people lose fat in some quick way. Okay, so the fastest way possible. They want this instant gratification of losing weight. And then what do? They rebound and gain it all back. It's far too restrictive. The calorie deficit, which is the only way anyone ever loses fat, whether you label it as Weight Watchers, you label it as Optavia, you label it as a GLP-1, whatever your method of losing weight is, right? Which again, there is a difference between losing weight and losing fat. You don't want to just lose weight. You want to lose fat. We can talk about that another day. But most people just want the most rapid results possible, and all their focus is on is results. So what happens after they get to that weight on the scale that they want? They haven't changed their habits. They go back to who they were originally, and then all the weight comes back, and even more so. This is why I emphasize habits with clients. I don't care about getting you instant results. If I can get you to build the habits, and we're not talking about habits like that are impossible, this impossible standard of working out 5 days a week and being super strict with hitting every single macro precisely. Instead, we build habits that are sustainable, okay? Being a more active person, we talk about how to do that. You don't have to spend hours walking, okay? Whether you're going to a gym or at home with dumbbells, strength training 2 times a week. Okay, at least 2 times a week. 3, optimal. 2, great. Being aware of your calories, and that's going to require tracking some food initially. If you nail these habits and you continue to build them in your life, kind of like brushing your teeth, they become second nature, you will get the results, and better results than you ever thought. And here's the best part. Not only will you get the results, you're going to become the person who not only loses fat, changes their body composition in the long run, but now maintains that and has built a lifestyle that is sustainable, that works, and you will not be rebounding and losing and gaining the same 10, 15 pounds the rest of your life. Instead, when you do that, you never actually change anything. You never change your body composition. Nothing ever changes. You just live in a constant restrict, binge cycle of frustration. Okay? This is also, by the way, one of my issues with GLP-1s these days. I don't have issues with GLP-1s. They can be very useful if you are in the obese category with silencing food noise. But my issue is that people go on these and they never focus on habits. They just want some quick results. What's going to happen when you go off of these? You've never built the habits to sustain that fat loss. One of the things to think about in this new year is, what are you doing right now to lose fat or weight? Is that sustainable? Can you sustain this forever? Can you keep going? Now, when it comes to tracking food, you don't have to track food forever, but the skills that you learn from tracking food, portion sizes, how many calories are in your food, which most people have no idea about, is a skill that you take later on. You do not have to track forever. Okay, I just want to caveat that. But is what you are doing right now sustainable? Whatever you do to lose the weight, you have to sustain that long term in order to maintain those results. This is why quick fix diet plans, where they just hand you a meal plan and tell you to follow it, never work. I want you to eat what you love, figure out how to make it work, and build habits that last you a lifetime. This is one reason why I do not hand clients a prescribed meal plan. I when you join me for coaching, you get meal ideas. Like, we talk about all of that, but I never want to hand somebody like, eat this, because that is not sustainable. That teaches you absolutely nothing. Instead, I want you to track food, to develop an understanding of how many calories and macros are in your food, so that you can go out to eat, so that you can travel, so you can navigate the world we live in without some like prescriptive meal plan and you feel lost when you don't have it. Anyway, I would be a very bad coach if I didn't now plug my coaching round, right? And I would absolutely love for you to join me and to build the habits that get you the results you want, but last a lifetime as well.